Hello everyone, myself Sagar Ramesh Kutte, working as Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, GMD College, Sinnar, Nasik. Now, last lecture we will discuss total Hamiltonian. Now, in this lecture we will discuss hyperfine structure. The single factor that make ESR is very interesting. One of the appearance of hyperfine structure. The hyperfine structure of ESR line is due to the dipole interaction term and Fermi constant term for free or valence electron in liquid or gaseous. The dipole contribution average out to 0. In such cases, V crystal is also 0. Neglecting the field free electronic energy term first and second, the remaining term of Hamiltonian is given by the spin Hamiltonian. H is equal to G mu B, B into S is equal to summation I, G n mu n, B into I plus summation I into S, where the summation is over the nuclei in the system. The second term in this equation is approximately 2000 times smaller than the first term. Hence, the first approximation we will get H is equal to G mu B, B into S plus summation I is into S. And the example of Hamiltonian, we shall consider the ESR spectrum of the hydrogen atom. First will be the ESR spectrum of hydrogen atom. For hydrogen atom in the ground state, the total Hamiltonian has a simple for the given equation, treating AIS as perturbation. The energy corrected the first order is given by EMS Mi is equal to G mu B, B into Ms plus AMI Ms, where Ms is equal to plus minus half and Mi is equal to plus minus half. E suffix half and half is equal to 1 by 2 G mu B into B plus 1 by 4. E minus half comma half is equal to 1 by minus 1 by 2 G mu B into B minus A by 4. E suffix 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 half G mu B, B minus 1 by 4. E minus 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by minus 1 by 2 G mu B, B plus 1 by 4. The selection rule for ESR transition are delta Ms is equal to plus minus 1 and delta Mi is equal to 0. This diagram indicates the energy level and allowed transition for hydrogen atom. Ms is equal to plus minus 1 by 2 and Mi is equal to plus minus 1 by 2, neglecting the magnetic field nuclear spin interaction. The two transitions are expected with the spacing equal to hyperfine splitting constant A. Indeed, two lines are observed experimentally, which is enabled the determination of A. This figure shows the energy level and allow transition for the hydrogen atom. The frequencies of the two lines is given by H V1 is equal to G mu B into B plus 1 by 2 and H V2 is equal to G mu B into B minus 1 by 2. Thus, a doublet is predicted with the separation of A, the hyperfine coupling constant. Second will be the one electron system coupled to the nucleus of spin I is equal to 1. This figure indicates that the energy level diagram and allow transition for electron coupled to the nucleus of spin I is equal to 1 and I into P interaction neglected. From figure represent the energy level and allow transition for electron spin couple of nucleus spin I is equal to 1. The dipole contribution of hyperfine structure is assumed to 0. Dropping the nucleus Zeeman energy term EMS comma Mi is equal to G mu B into Ms plus AMS Mi. Ms is equal to plus minus 1 by 2 and Mi is equal to plus minus 2. Three transition of equal intensity with separation equal to hyperfine splitting constant are expected. Their energies are H V1 is equal to G mu B into B minus A. H V2 is equal to G mu B into B. H3 is equal to G mu B plus A. When an unpaired electron interact with the nuclear spin I, the number of hyperfine component expected in is 2I plus 1. Now third will be the unpaired electron coupling with two equivalent nuclei of the spin I is equal to 1 by 2. The situation is same for the system having one unpaired electron interacting with two equivalent proton. For each arrangement of the electron magnetic moment, there are four arrangements of the nuclei magnetic moment. That is this table. Since summation I is equal to 0, state is doubly detergent. The transition between summation Mi is equal to 0, state will have doubled the intensity. Hence, the intensity ratio of observed line will be the 1:2:1. The energy level and transition will be the similar to the one given figure, that is last figure. This table indicates the spin arrangement of two equivalent proton, that is proton first, that is Mi, proton second, that is Mi, spin observation, summation Mi and detergency of the state. Now fourth will be the unpaired electron coupling with two non-equivalent nuclei, each of the spin I is equal to 1/2. This diagram indicates energy level of allowed transition for the interaction of unpaired electron with two non-equivalent nuclei. I is equal to 1 by 2. It is assumed that A is less than A2. In the steady magnetic field, unpaired electron energy level will be the split into the two level. Each energy level will be the split into the two by the first nucleus. The second nucleus again splitting each level into the two. The energy level diagram and four equally intense allowed transition are represented in this figure. The interaction energy is given by E ms Mi is equal to G mu B into Bms plus A1 ms Mi1 plus A2 ms Mi2. Fifth one will be the some other system interset. A commonly observed type of the system is one in which unpaired electron interacting with the three equivalent proton. The spin arrangement and detergency of the state are shown below table. The relative intensities are equal to detergency of level for 4 line with relative intensity 1:3:3:1 are expected according to the ESR selection rule. It may be noted here that when unpaired electron interact with n non-equivalent proton, the relative intensities are proportional to the coefficient of the binomial expression 1 plus x raised to n. Thus, in case of unpaired electron interacting with three equivalent proton, 1 plus x raised to cube is equal to 1 plus 3x plus 3x square plus x cube, giving the relative intensity ratio 1:3:3:1. Another system of interact is the sum one in which unpaired electron couple equally among the two nuclei of the spin I is equal to 1. The energy level diagram can intensely constructed predicting 5 equivalent space absorption line with the relative intensity as 1:2:3:2:1. Now this table indicates the spin arrangement of the 3 equivalent proton. Now in this lecture we will discuss hyperfine structure. Thank you so much.